where do you waste most of your time? Is it manipulating PowerPoint? Could AI help you? We have that question very often in training. Are there any AI tools that can help me to manipulate my PowerPoint? We tried the native AI for PowerPoint, Powered AI. They all have the same problem. They know how to create a PowerPoint from text, prompts, images, but they don't allow you to modify a PowerPoint. They don't allow you to make a few changes. And especially the biggest use case, they don't allow you to create a new slide that will express an idea in a visual. So we've decided in this episode of Working with Manus to see if Manus can modify a PowerPoint. So we start with one of our own PowerPoint presenting one of our offers. So here we have a presentation of our AI champion program. So this is the current presentation. We have format that is okay. We have our content, and there are a few things we want to modify. So we want to remove one slide number 4. We want to combine slide 5 and 6 because some of the information are a bit redundant. So we want to put them together. And in slide number 7, we want to update because when we did it, we had trained 3,100 professionals in 120 companies, but now we want to change it to 3,200 professionals, train other 130 companies. And we also want to add one more sentence inside the PowerPoint somewhere, wherever it makes sense, about the fact that the AI champion, when they spend time on this AI champion program that we are selling to our customers, they get back the money in productivity because every time they run a use case, they immediately get acceleration into their product. So let's look at what Manus was able to do. So we started here with a prompt that described the modification we want. And first we thought that PDF would be a good format. So we send a PDF version of the PPT because for a few weeks already, we see that Manus now can generate PDF directly, and Manus is able to read PDF. We have that in other episode of Working with Manus. So Manus is trying to manipulate the PDF and failing. At some point, it's trying, failing. So as quite often, Manus says, "Okay, I want to change my approach. So here I need to take a more direct approach, trying another solution." It doesn't work, encountering some technical problems, try something else, until it gets to generate a PDF. Now let's have a look at this PDF. So, AI champion modified. So first slide, same. Slide number 7 was removed. 5 and 6 are still separated, didn't merge. The sentence that we wanted to add about the AI champion getting all their time back is kind of put here right in the middle of the PDF. Not very good and can't even read the end. And the numbers, they're not replacing the numbers and they're in the wrong place. So manipulating PDF to PDF, that's a failure. Right? Let's try a different solution. So we run another one. And this time we're like, why not give it the PPT directly? Maybe original PPT. PPT is more of a Windows format, so we're not sure if PPT would work. But then Manus has the ability to write a code, and there is a Python PPTX, so there is a library that is here to manipulate PPT documents. Original format, not PDF, but the text, the PPTX. All right, maybe it's going to work. Manus goes through it, goes through the modification, to the list, remove page 4, merge 5 and 6, update the number of participants. All right, so let's look at this PPT. So PPT here, final. Okay, damage file. That's not a good sign. Let's repair. And the format is all wrong. Yeah. So we can see the content, images have been lost. It's using the wrong background. Information is kind of blended in together. And the number, the 3,100 that was not replaced by 3,200, and the whole presentation is just gone. You know, we've lost a lot. We've lost almost all the information in the PPT. So Manus cannot manipulate PPT. All right. So is there something else? Actually, there is. We can manipulate another format, which is the ODP. So this is an open version of PPT, LibreOffice. That's the name of the competing standard. And the conversion from PPT to ODP is quite good. Yeah. So first we had to save our PowerPoint into a LibreOffice format, and the format is still pretty good. Yeah. So same instruction, exactly the same font, and this time we are uploading the LibreOffice, the OpenOffice LibreOffice format. There is indeed way to manipulate LibreOffice library, Python library through code, going through code and producing OpenOffice document. Right? So let's look at the modify OpenOffice document. Format is good. Here we've lost a little bit of formatting on this one. Okay, not ideal. Here the subtitle has moved, but something we could fix easily manually. Slide number 4 was removed. 5 and 6, they are like crammed together, and actually even 7. So that's not what we're looking for. It's impossible to see if the numbers were updated. And the rest of the format, we have lost some of the formatting things. So no, also cannot manipulate OpenOffice. So no, Manus cannot manipulate PDF. Manus cannot manipulate PPT documents. Manus almost can manipulate OpenOffice documents, but not well enough. So Manus is yet another product that cannot solve our PPT issue that every single company has. I'm kind of happy because this is the first time I really have a big failure with Manus. Everything else that I've done so far was working. This is the frontier. This is the edge. No way to manipulate PPT with AI. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more information about what we can do or cannot do with Manus. And see you in the next episode of Working with Manus.